just like that, Glacier National Park is over. I feel like we got I mean, for what was open, I feel like we saw just about everything that you can see by a vehicle, and a little bit by foot. It was great. I mean, again, it's a park that definitely needs to be explored on foot. Anyway, we are continuing to head west, going to a little bit west of Kalispell, Montana. Going to stay for a few days. There's a few, looks like a few good campsites. Just work on some stuff. Enjoy some good weather. It's going to be hot again today, and then after today, it goes back into the 60s and 40s. Woo! Which is what I love. It's my sweet spot. Mid-60s. Love it. Just makes me want to explore. I definitely need to eat some huckleberry at some point. It looks like I'm coming into huckleberry land. I've never had a huckleberry. I mean, I will be your huckleberry. So that's the plan for the next few days, and then continuing out west. The end goal is Cannon Beach. I just want to see where Goonies happened. It feels weird. I am like less than 700 miles away from my target destination in the Pacific Northwest. It doesn't feel like the trip's almost over, but it feels like the trip's almost over. Because everything after that is just going to be coming back home. Well, I'm ready for coffee, figure out a campground. Oh, just hanging out, trying to get some work done. Hello, friend. Oh, come on. Monday, still in Montana. After Glacier, I decided to just do a little bit of campground hopping. I found this really, really good one where I spent the weekend called Lake McGregor. Lake McGregor, founded by an Irish settlement named John McGregor. I don't know, I'm just making all that up. So I stayed there for a few days. Really, really good. Did some writing, did some editing. Now I'm going not too much further, driving like 100, just still continuing westwardly, like 100 miles west to another campsite, and I'm going to try to knock out some free camping for a few days. It's Monday, there's some bad weather coming in for a couple days. It's like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, somewhere around there. I don't know, man, Montana weather is weird. It'll be sunshiny, and then like raindrops will fall out of the sky. It's been cold, it's been like in the 30s. I mean, this is almost mid-June. It's like mid-30s in the morning. It's been, last couple days have been in the 50s. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not complaining. I love this. The alternative in Florida. It's just, it hurts to think about. So I'm gonna try to find some free camping for the week before continuing heading west. I've just been hemorrhaging money with, I don't know, a few issues. Had a tire go out, a towing incident. I've been paying for camping just because I've been in national parks for the last, I'm in the national parks for the last 17 days. I was just looking at the old calendar. So that takes up some money even with the American Beautiful discount. So I'm going to go try to offset that with some free camping and hot dogs. So stay tuned. We've made it to the Kootenai Falls in western Montana. Not something I planned, I just happened to be driving and saw a sign. And I like falls. Plus, it's dog friendly. This guy gets to go on an adventure today. I suppose I should do some research, but it looks like there's a suspension bridge here. I'm sure he'll love that. So I don't know, we're just gonna go check it out. A couple mile hike. It's beautiful out. Hoodie weather. Still don't know what to do about these things. Also, I've been made very aware that school is out for summer. It is June 7th, and there are children everywhere. Oh well. I'm guessing this is the bridge. It feels very suspended. Like a train. Over there. Onyx is killing it. Oh no, it's the graded steps. I'm gonna have to carry him. This is how we're rolling. This is awesome. Just couldn't find out that wasn't the payoff of this hike. This is. Man, he loves ledges. This hike has been stellar. Get a cool breeze off the river. I know that sounds weird, but it's true. I wouldn't say it's strenuous, but you know, it's not a paved trail or anything. Not too much, too little. And I guess what we just went on was not the suspension bridge. What we're hiking to is the suspension bridge. Well, I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say that there's no way he's going on this. Wait. What's up there, buddy? Huh? What's up there? Come here. What's up here? No way. Oh, nailed it. Dude, he's on it. Nope. This is awesome up here though. These views. Alright, so my legs are currently jello. I'm walking across that thing. And the worst case scenario happened. My memory card failed on my GoPro. So you'll just have to believe me and trust me that I went. Also, I took some pictures for my Instagram if you want to check it out over there. Well, what comes down must go up, I guess. Not that it would be so bad. It's just that he won't do it. Come here. So this is how we roll up these stairs with the holes in them that he can't handle. No big deal. It's like carrying a baby, right? At least he's calm. Love climbing stairs at altitude, 50 extra pounds. Leg workout for the day. Got this lovely campsite at, it's called Bad Medicine, and you try to listen to that without singing the song. You can't, because your love is like bad medicine. Still in western Montana, and decided to try to cook something interesting up. I've been craving lasagna. So I don't know, man. I got some noodles, and some sauces, and some half and half, and I'm seeing if pan lasagna is a thing. Ground sausage. I mean, it's starting to look good. Doesn't matter. Look at this site. It's great. It's great views. It's camp cooking. Whatever. I also got a fun tip from a local. There's a place called something Cedars. Nearby here, about a mile, where you climb this mountain. And there's cedars the size of 3 arms, she says. I don't know why she picked an odd number. But we're gonna go check it out tomorrow. Bless me, barber, for I have sinned. I think it's been 51 days since my last cut or shave. So I tried to trim it up with some skizzers. It's getting pretty bushy. I'm okay with it. I'm a woodsman now. I'm a woodsman. Well, we have driven up a mountain to the Ross Creek Cedars camping area. Nope, hiking area. Some sort of trail. Apparently it's a soccer mom convention. Don't know much about this, but this was recommended by our camp host at the Your Love is Like Bad Medicine campground. So, we're gonna see what we have. Wow, even though I know I'm not, it feels like I'm in the Pacific Northwest already. This trail is pretty. It's just so lush and so green. These giant trees. I mean, giant trees. Got a creek running by. Onyx has his bear bell on. Perfect morning. Just awesome. Good job, camp host. What a great hike. It was beautiful. These trees, these cedars are massive. Host was right. It will take more than 3 arms to wrap around them. Got lost twice. Been on the trail now for an hour and 40 minutes. Should have taken 45 minutes. Whatever. It's Worst places to be. Onyx loved it. We still want more. We're gonna go back to camp, make some lunch, and see where our day takes us.
Sometimes you just need to take a breather at any point in life. We've been on this breakneck travel speed for almost 2 months now, and it felt great to allow myself to reset and be bored for a little while. Coming up is that reach to our most westernly destination, Cannon Beach, a childhood bucket list item. As sad as I'll be to leave the state of Montana behind, this journey has a mission, and goonies never say die. Until next time, be kind to each other, love relentlessly, and keep living life with an open mind.
It said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind.